In this video, we'll show you how to use the Player of the Day and the Family Link features. Teachers can now electronically send the Player of the Day badge to their students along with many other awards, and parents, you can play as a team with your child against other teams of players and parents. The Player of the Day can be found on the right side of the teacher homepage. This is where you can send the Player of the Day badge directly to a student's inbox simply by clicking on the link. The student can find their award in their mailbox, which they should be checking daily. There's a link where they can view and download a certificate. All other milestone awards are now sent automatically, which will also appear in the student's mailbox. Underneath the Player of the Day recognition is where you will see the other top players in the class, and send them awards if you want. You can find more of these awards by clicking on the question mark next to the Player of the Day, or under the recognition link. Moving to a student's homepage. In the bottom right-hand corner is a Family Link section. This is where a family member is provided with their own unique user ID and password. To help assist your students and their families set this up, go to the Home Connection link on the teacher homepage. Under the Family Link initiative, you will see a link to send a letter home to parents explaining how to access and use the Family Link. Students and family members can compete in the rankings against other families across the school, state, and nation. You can use the rankings to encourage family engagement. The Player of the Day badge and the Family Link are just two of the many motivational tools available on First in Math to engage your students, whether they're playing at home or in the classroom.